crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New York, cruelty-free Amy who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today is an Ipsy for this month of September 24. I'm very excited because there's a couple of products I did want this month, and I was very excited because they're new brands to me, and I thought, you know what, might as well. So hence I have no makeup on this because I'm doing another video coming up, and I'm just like, might as well get this. It came in, and I was like, yeah, just do the Ipsy and everything else. So that's what we're here for. So for this month, this is the bag, which is adorable. It's cute. I'm just thinking about just put it in my giveaway box that I have. I think this is really cute and everything, but it's just not my style or anything like that. It's just, let me see. Okay, sorry if the lighting is a little bit weird, but it's just one of those things. But I really do like the bag is cute. It's just not my style. So if you win the giveaway I have, yeah, but I don't know when the giveaway is gonna happen, so just make sure you hit the subscribe button so you'll know. Yeah, so you know. So let's get started. So this thing for this month is Into Your Soft Era. Start fresh this fall with downright dreamy beauty. That's what a card comes into, which is nice. So it says, Into your soft era by seeking softness in your everyday beauty rituals. From flushed cheeks to nurtured skin to a glossy lip that catches the light just right. Because your softness is your strength and your unique beauty deserves to glow. So, of course, so our October choice is on the 23rd through the 25th. We'll see. I'd like to see what the spoils are, so I'm going to check those out if I really want to get it or not. So the first product we're just going to go for is the Nip and Fast Salicylic Fixed Clay Max. This is what it looks like. To tell the truth, as I see in the light, you get back this much product. The rest is just usually what there's good with their samples and everything else, not NipFab, but other brands that I know are really good. But that's just insane that you only get a half a product, but this is a sample, so if you like the product, there you go. But I am not keeping this because, number one, I do love Clay Max, but I have so much I have to go through and I just don't need more. That's it. But look, we're gonna see what the Nip Salicylic Fixed Clay Mask is. This mask is packed with a squad of breakup busting ingredients like salicylic acid to help clear out the congested skin with gentle exfoliation. A 20% clay blend to help soak up excess oils and soothing licorice root to help chill out any redness and irritation. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size version is $24. The full size better be full. That's all I gotta say. It is what it is for that size. So the next product is the Red Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Milk. So basically, this is definitely a sample size. I did not want to open that, but you're gonna see what size I got. This is a cleansing milk, which is fine. So this is what it looks like. I don't need this. Like a refreshing splash of hydration and purification for your skin, this cleanser gets out gunk and impurities from your sensitive, dry, and irritated skin. It's packed with blackcurrant and sea buckthorn oils to keep your skin balanced, clean, and hydrated. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this product is $38. So now this one, I feel like I already have this color in my collection, but this is a brand new brand for me. It's called Eloise Beauty. Now this one is called Bloom. This is a blush, so this one calls Bloom. This stunning blush is determined to give your cheeks a gorgeous glow. It is highly pigmented but still buildable, so that you can create the perfect pale pink blush in no time. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size product is $30. Holy crap! I will not, unless it's on sale. Yes, but for $30, no. This is not something I'm gonna keep because I feel like I already have this color in my collection, and I'm just like, yeah, no, love this brand, so I'm definitely gonna keep this brush here. This is a SL Miss Clam, which is one of my favorite brands from that Ipsy has given me. I really love their brushes. It is really nice, and I like it. So the products from SL Miss Clam is really good, so I highly recommend them. So this is a large fluffy bird blending brush. I like that. That's a really beautiful. I like the handle, the print of it. I think that's really cute. I really like that. So that's what this one is about. The key to nailing a flawless, soft, focused finish. This blending brush, the ultra soft, fluffy bristles on this one make it a cinch to apply and diffuse all your powder products without any harsh lines or cakiness. It's good for the eyes. You can use this in eyes, which I will probably not do because that's really too big for me for my eyes. But it says this is also a multitasking blending brush, can be used for a blush or a highlighter too. So I would probably use this as a highlighter, which I don't need more highlighting brushes, but like I said, I love this brand anyway. And this is the full size, so this is what it is, and it's $21.50. So definitely gonna keep it. It's really nice and soft. Like I said, I like this brush. The brush, they last a very long time. I've used them, and this is the blending BG15. So it does have the name on the brush. So if you want to know what it looks like or what its name is, BG15. So I'm definitely gonna keep that. And of course, the last product is a brand new brand to me. I had to make sure. I think some of these products over here, because I didn't get to make a choice, but that's fine. And they had two versions of this. It was a purple one and this one, and I was hoping I was getting the purple one because I love purple, and I'm just like, it is what it is. So this one is called Pink Lips Cosmetics, and this one is, it actually gives me yes, Pink Lips Cosmetics. This is cruelty free. Does not say if it's vegan or not, so if you want to know if it's vegan or not, I don't know, but they're cruelty free. And I got this one in Mauve Me, which is cute, and it does have the names, because a lot of brands who does like these kind of sample stuff or make stuff for Ipsy or anything, they sometimes don't put the names at the back, and this brand did that, so I'm very happy. I'm really excited to try this out. So that's what it looks like, and this is something I would go towards anyway, especially for a soft glam look, but also I will just use it no matter what. It's make it not a soft glam look, but you know what I mean. Get ready to paint the town in a mauve with this 5-shade medium palette featuring rosy pigments and mauve hues that will help you create some seriously stunning soft glam eye looks. Stunning soft eye glam eye looks. Plus, the long-lasting shadows resist fading, creasing, smudging, or fallout too. So, I really don't have this in my collection. I don't know if y'all can see that, because my thing is not a. This is a full size, and this is $16. So, I'm definitely gonna keep this because I'm definitely gonna try this for the of this month. I don't know how much it's worth, and I'm not supposed to see how much all this together. How much like if for $17.50 compared to, I'm gonna put the total in because I like to know what the total is. So if I bought this all together, I would have spent $129.50. Let's say how much money I saved. So let's say $15.50 on this one. I saved $112. That's not bad. And also, let everybody know this, because I love Elf, and I just wanna let you guys know. This Edit Elfing is Elfing Amazing. Bestsellers from the brand has always buzzing beauty talk. Say less. The Edit Elf Cosmetics and Elf Skin features 7 viral game changers worth $71 in a gorgeous bag to help you create your own brand of beautiful while supplies last. Grab this exclusive Ipsy exclusive that when it drops 9/16. So I'm just let you guys know, if you do have Ipsy and everything, the bag will be there. It looks like you get a primer, the Power Primer, the Melting Cleansing Balm one. That is awesome. I highly recommend it. And also a few more products, but I like their Lash It Loud mascara, and I do enjoy their cleansing balm. I really do like those. I'm definitely going to get more, and I have to get more elf stuff anyway. But other than that, I think this soft glam era, as they say, I think it's perfect. I think not everybody does soft looks, soft glam looks. I'm a mixture of glam looks, but also soft era, depending on my mood is. So yeah, so 3 out of 5 products, actually 2 out of 5 products I'm going to keep. So that will be the brush and the eyeshadow palette. But yes, for this month, for September, I think it's really good. I like it how they did a mixture of the products. You got a couple of skincare products, and you got a beauty applicator, makeup brush, and a couple of makeup products. I think that's awesome. I wish I got the purple one out of this one, because I would go with that one, but this one I go with it too. I'm not picky when it comes to eyeshadows anyway, but my favorite colors to work with is blues, greens, and purples. Those are my favorite eyeshadows to work with because I love those colors very much. So yeah, I really do like this. So further ado, if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button if you want to see more content like this. If you want to be part of the Crazy Kitties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We may be cute, but we're a little tad crazy. And also make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I do upload. If you did get this bag, what price did you get? Did you like this month's bag? Did you like any of it or not? I'd like to hear your thoughts and your opinions. For this month's haul will be next month's haul. Number of reasons, because I do want to try these products, a couple of these products within 30 days and everything else. So next month will be the first haul review of the products I bought, and everything else will be reviewed next end of the month. So I will make it October 30th because the Halloween next month, so I'm not gonna mess that up. But yes, so yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.